Built tough, reliable and loaded with smart features, the new model CAT IC Forklift, available from United, delivers strength and performance to handle the demands of everyday lifting applications, whether you're in logistics, manufacturing, agriculture, mining or something in between. With lift capacities ranging from 1.5 to 3.5 tonnes, the CAT Forklift delivers smooth steering and unrivaled manoeuvring, together with fast lifting and travel speeds. A wide anti-slip step and large grab bar provides 3 points of contact for safer entry and exiting, while CAT's spacious cabin enhances comfort with generous legroom, a full suspension seat, tilt steering and an acrylic roof with UV protection. The new full-colour dash display puts everything you need in clear view: speed, fuel level, load weight and alerts. For low light conditions, simply switch to dark mode for easier visibility. With CAT's unique wide-view mast offering clean lines of sight with excellent visibility, operators can work with confidence no matter the job. Achieve the perfect blend of power, performance and fuel efficiency with a 4-cylinder LPG engine suited for indoor or mixed environments, or upgrade to a fuel-injected option when you need that extra power. And for those bigger outdoor jobs, the diesel engine delivers the torque and performance to take on the most demanding tasks with confidence. The CAT Forklift raises the bar for productivity and efficiency. Its dependable heavy-duty mast lifts quickly, while the low-profile design increases stability, perfect for precise turns and heavy lifting. Operators can also select from 2 drive modes for greater flexibility and efficiency: power mode when performance matters, or soft mode to reduce fuel use, lower noise and cut emissions by up to 13%. Compliant with Australian standards, the presence detection system improves safety by preventing movement of the forklift and mast functions when the operator unbuckles the seatbelt or leaves the seat. And on busy work sites, the forklifts can be tailored to suit site conditions thanks to the speed limiter, which now comes standard. And to further enhance safety and protect pedestrians, optional safety lighting are also available. When servicing is needed, United's dedicated support team is only a phone call away. And best of all, CAT IC Forklifts are backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty for complete peace of mind. Cut maintenance costs with 500-hour extended service intervals and save time with quick toolless access to the engine and key service parts. With reliable performance, smart features and safety built in, the CAT Forklift is ready to get the job done.